Hello everyone, in this video we will cover how to change the theme in your computer. So what is the theme in your computer? So the theme is just used to customize your computer's look, like the Windows look, and it also changes the color and the contrast of your system. So now this is how we are going to implement this video. So let's get started. So we are back at my desktop. Now I will have to right click on my taskbar, go to taskbar settings, then click on themes from the sidebar, themes, and I can select the wallpapers, the themes, and I can select the color. Like there is the color I have, and I can also select the themes. If I go to the themes back there, I can just select this Windows 10, this one. Now if I go to my Windows, now if you go, you see the wallpaper has been changed. So this is how you can change the theme of your Windows. See? So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to change the computer theme. So thank you for watching.